Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a voluminous, beautiful balloon flower using plastic technique. For clarity, I will use a transparent balloon, and so let's get started. The flower is large, so I use an 18-inch balloon to make a petal. I pre-inflate the balloon to stretch its walls and eliminate the defect. Now I fold a modeling balloon, size 360, in half and put it inside an 18-inch balloon. I inflate an 18-inch balloon to thirds of its full size. Now, holding the neck of the transparent balloon, I inflate the modeling balloon with 10 pumps. Now I pull out the second end of the balloon for modeling and make 2 knots. The inner balloon fits tightly to the neck of the transparent balloon, so no air escapes. Now, holding the inner balloon with my hand, I slowly release the air from the outer balloon and at the same time give the petal shape to the balloon for modeling. Look, I'm holding the modeling balloon by the top and bending it with effort to the reverse side. The modeling balloon, size 360, is quite tight. I slightly stretch the upper part of the petal in different directions to make the shape more beautiful. I have prepared several petals in advance so as not to take up your time. And now, for clarity, I am making one more petal, but this time from a pink balloon measuring 18 inches. The making process is exactly the same as it was shown just now. Now I cut the tail of the balloon for modeling, tie the pink balloon and cut the extra part. In total, you will need to make 5 petals to make a flower. You can glue the petals together using a low-temperature hot glue gun, glue dots, or double-side glue tape. I will use double-sided glue tape. Please take a look. I first determine the points of contact of the petals, and it is in places that I glue the double-sided adhesive tape. Please note that if there are not many petals, when gluing, I lift the petals up a little. In this case, the radius of the flower will be smaller. If 5 petals are placed horizontally sincere with each other, then, of course, they will not be enough to complete the flower. The base is prepared. Now you need to make a middle and a strong retainer on the back of the flower. I inflate 10 inches balloon, color gold chrome with 7 pumps. I press the balloon against the table to give it a round shape, twist the tail, and try it onto the center of the flower. The diameter of the balloon should be a couple of centimeters larger than the diameter of the central opening of the flower. Now I make a knot and put the golden balloon aside. Next, I inflate 2 5-inch pink balloons with 2 pumps each. I divide each balloon in half, twist and fix the twist with the tail of the same balloon. That is, I make a knot on the twist. Then I twist these balloons together. I get a cluster of 4 bubbles. I tie this cluster to the central part of the flower. If necessary, you can additionally glue the central part to the petals using glue dots. I will use this flower to decorate a small wall garland, so on the back side I will tie a balloon for modeling and make a loop. The flower is ready. I am happy to share my experience and ideas with you. Thank you for watching us.